Genuine Kohler product. Made of plastic. For use with various Kohler toilet seats. Country of origin, China. Toilet seat mounting hardware kit. Complete hardware kit for installing your Kohler toilet seat. Made of high-quality plastic. Top reviews from the United States. Fit crane toilet, perfect replacement for the garbage plastic pieces that broke. Perfect fix for the plastic bolt and screw that broke when I was trying to tighten them to keep the seat from shifting. Although the screw-on piece for this Kohler kit is also plastic, it's better quality than the old one. The bolt was a good length, 3.5 centimeters, for my crane toilet, and now the seat no longer shifts. I would definitely recommend this kit if your toilet seat keeps shifting around when you sit down. It was cheaper to buy this here on Amazon than to get it at a local store. Cheap to buy, good quality, and fixed my problem perfectly equals satisfied customer.